Hello everyone, welcome to Digital One Tech Academy. And in today's video, we'll be talking about how to share access to a Facebook page that you've already created. Let's dive in. Recently, we discussed about Facebook pages and how to create one. And we also mentioned that a Facebook page and an account are different. For instance, if you want to give someone access to your Facebook account, you would need to give them the login details to that entire account. That's the username and the password, which are maybe very sensitive information to some people. However, for a page, if I need to give someone access, let's say I hire a new social media manager and I want them to be able to post on my page for me, does that mean I have to give them the entire access to my Facebook account? The answer is no. Or if I employ an ad specialist who's going to help me run ads, do I need to give them access to my entire Facebook account just for that? No. So if someone only needs access to your page, there is something you can do that doesn't require you giving them access to everything on your Facebook account. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. So when you are in an area that looks like this on your Facebook page, just click on the name of the Facebook page here. So you click on that and it takes you into an area where you can, access everything from the back end of the page. All right. So this is an example page and I'm going to be using that to show you how to share access to a Facebook page. To do that, you want to come to settings at this part here. You click on that. So next up, if you scroll down a bit, you are looking for something that says page setup. So you click on page setup. Next, you will see page access. And down below, you see it says invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. That's exactly what we are looking for. So you click on that. Okay. People with Facebook access. This is where I can give people access to this Facebook page. I can share access to literally anyone. So you click on add new at the top here. You get to add new people into this Facebook page. So here's what it exactly sounds like before we move further. From my account, I can access this page. Like I said earlier, if I have a new social media manager and I want that person to be able to help me manage this page, I don't have to give them access to my entire Facebook. If I share access to that person, I will still be able to manage the page from my account. And in the person's Facebook account as well, they would also see this Facebook page. So the page will show in my account and in the person's account as well. And both of us can manage it. Okay. So that's one of the beauties of this. So moving on, if you click on next, you can invite such person by name or by email address. Let's try by name, for example. Just note if you're using a name, it has to be the name that the person is currently using on Facebook. If it's an email, it has to be an email account that is associated with a Facebook account. One of the two. So for this example, let's just go with something simple. Just ask the person for the Facebook name they would like to use. Okay. So let's say this one. You can use this. All right. Next up, you can also determine how much access you want to give this person. By default, Facebook will give them all this access. However, if I don't turn on this option, that's with the way it currently is now, this person can do most things on the page, but they cannot invite new people to the page. They cannot remove anyone from the page, including me. Neither can they delete the page. Okay, but they can post content on it. They can use it to run ads. They can use it to reply to comments for me. They can check my DMs and all those different stuff. They can do all those, but they can't add new people, remove existing people, or delete the page. This might be a very good access that you can give to someone who just wants to help you do some things on the page. Okay, so that you don't lose access to your page. Don't give full access to someone you don't trust. Okay, so after that, you click on give access. Then Facebook might want you to enter your Facebook password just to be sure that you actually want to give this person access. Like I said, this is just an example. So I'm actually not giving anyone access. But as soon as you enter your Facebook password here and click on confirm, that person will get a notification on their Facebook account that so and so person is inviting you to manage so and so page. Do you want to accept or decline? Then, depending on whatever the person chose, it moves on from there. If you accept it, the page gets added to that person's account, and I can see it from here as well. So I can post on the page, the person can post on the page as well. The page will be in those two accounts. And there you have it. That's how you give someone access to a Facebook account. I'll see you all on the next one.